second standard. Today is 16 August. I wish all a very happy Independence Day. Rest, India is best. Our national flag has three colors. It is also called Tiranga. I love my India. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. My name is Rushtan Yudhamane. I am in second standard. Today is 15 on August. It is a big day. Indian citizen. We sing a national anthem. I am in proud to be Indian. Thank you. Everyone, my name is Dataru Amadala. I am in first standard. Today is 15 August 1947. India about freedom. It is a national festival of India. Jana Gana Mana is our national song. Vande Mataram is our national hour. I love my India. Everyone, my name is Sonali Kundasad. I am in third standard. Today is 15 August. For our national festival, I love my India. Jai Hind. Good morning, everyone. My name is Yogesh Dhannaji Jadhav. I am in fourth standard. Today is 15 August. It is a national festival of India. Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem. Vande Mataram is our national song. I love my India. Jai Hind. Everyone, my name is Rajgundaji Jadhav. I am in fourth standard. Today is 15th August. Freedom fighter is the freedom. Nangnath Anna was a freedom fighter. Protect the country. I love my India. Thank you. याचे नाव जिल्हा परिषद शाळा नाईक मागोट किंडे वाळवा जिल्हा सांगली. मी आता दुसरी शिकत आहे. माझे नाव प्रतीक दत्तात्रय जाधव. देशाचे रक्षण केले पाहिजे.